Yeah, Lakana.
Oh, really?
Good, good afternoon, students. How are you?
Doing pretty good, sir. How about yourself?
Caught in traffic again with this heavy rain. Are you guys home?
Well, I guess I'd want to think that most of us would be at this point. Can't speak for everyone. I cannot speak for everyone.
But are you home or are you in traffic coming home, going home?
I am definitely home at this point. I left out early today,
Mm.
so I'm home already.
No, trust me. I think we all envy you
Even
to
home.
do. Hey, how you do? Are you home or in traffic?
So I'm home. I left out early.
Mm. Gosh, well, good for you. So it's heavy traffic. All right, what I want you to do in the meantime for me, I mean, I know it's not yet 5 o'clock. And again, I'm driving, so I can't do any of this stuff. So Lekaran, I'm gonna put you on the spot for me, please. I've come to the end of piecewise functions. Remind me, was it 2 questions that I gave you to do or one for homework? Or you never get no homework? Which one? Anybody? Somebody?
Sir, I don't remember seeing any questions. Two?
You got the handout?
I think it's in the group. I read three, but I didn't see any questions.
We didn't see the question. All right.
But Lekana just said two, so probably I skip over it, so I'll have to look.
Yeah, man, I'm almost sure that I did two.
I think
But
there's an issue with my microphone. But yeah, it's two. It's two, sir.
okay, thank you. All right. So can you just project those questions for me, please, Karno? I'd have to do those questions. Well, clearly I'm not going to for those of you who come to class, because I suspect that quite a number of you are going to be in commute because there is bumper to bumper traffic. What time is it now? 5 o'clock, and there's bumper to bumper traffic. It's not raining now, but there's some water on the road, and oh Lord. Last week Tuesday and then today again. It's not good. All right. So I want to see those two questions. I'm going to ask you, Lakan, if you can just, if you're in a position to project those two questions on the board for me on the screen. And I'm going to also ask you to, since you're home, to share a few of the past papers. So you can go and work on those while I will look at them online to make sure that they're done. All right, so I'm going to give you some chance to do this stuff while I just kind of focus on this road. So if you have anything to say to me, you can shout me. All right, I'm right here.
You guys able to see fine or is it too small?
It's good, it's good.
Supposed to do it or to give answers?
But for those who didn't do it, if you did the homework, Logan, you're good. But it's for
Okay,
those who have not completed it as yet.
okay.
Good afternoon.
How is it going? You guys are okay?
Yes, sir.
Sir, you hearing me? Sashan?
What is that?
Yes, sir. Could difficulty, my internet on and half, so probably keep me out of class and get me a every rain.
Don't worry
Yeah,
about
hear
it.
me?
It's all of us. Yeah, man, never mind. It's all of us.
All right, sir.
Mhm. Are you guys finished now? Hello, somebody?
Yes, sir.
Are you finished?
I don't know about the others, sir.
Are you finished?
I finished long time, sir. I've done my homework.
Thank you very much, Logan, and I like how you respond to me. I recognize for the last couple of class, I have to be using class time to do homework. It's not good. Suggesting to me that you guys are not reading the document. You see the document and say, oh, him send it. Come on, man. What time is it now? 5:23. I'm going to give you another 7 minutes to complete both questions. And then I'm going to go through. I'm still in commute. Don't know what time I'm going to reach home. And I'll do the solutions with you. 7 minutes.
Okay, sir.
All right, so let's go. Let's go. Sorry, it's not my screen. We're sharing. Can you bigify it a little bit for me, please? Thank you. Can I get it right anymore? I'm unable to zoom. All right, good, thanks. So it says, if f of x is continuous at x equals 0, or determine if f of x is continuous at x equals 0 and x equals 1. All right, so we're finding the limit as x tends to 0 to the left. Which function do I use?
The first and second one, sir.
Which function do I?
Sir, could you repeat? It seems to be working.
Not sure if it's just me, but sorry, you're breaking up.
Yeah, it's working for me as well.
Limit as x tends to 0 to the
Sir, where are you? I can hardly hear you.
Sir, you're lagging. We can't hear you, sir. We can't hear you now. I need to rejoin, sir.
Are you hearing me now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I was saying to you, the internet is unstable, so we have to just see how best we can work it out tonight in class. Into you, I'm finding the limit as x tends to 0 to the left. Which other functions do I use?
Do you mean, sir, like x greater than 0 and x less than 1? What you're referring to?
So the first one.
Well, first, x less than 0. Okay.
Jesus. Are you hearing me now, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. I'm reconnecting several times, so forgive me. So again, maybe for the 5th time, I'm asked which other functions do we use? All right.
Sir, I'm not
Hearing me
100%
or not
sure,
hearing me?
so I'm guessing. Sir, the second one.
He said that is the first one we're starting with, sir. Yes, sir?
Yes, you're correct. Yeah, yes,
Okay.
Logan, I hear you, my love. Thanks much.
Mm.
All right, so we have to listen up keenly because I am in and out clearly, and so are you. So you are sounding choppy on from my side as well. All right, so it says 2x cubed minus 7x squared plus 3x over 2x cubed minus 6x. How do we do this question? What do we do? What can we do? Hmm? Hello, somebody.
So, sir, do you want us to help you break it down or just give you the answer?
No, man, help me break it down. What do I do? Tell me what I do to solve this question.
Well, if you want to write the statement of x equal y negative and say that is his left side, and then you can write the equation and plug in the zero within the equation to show you that is indeterminate, and then we can break it down from there.
Very good, Logan. You got the word. Very nice, Loki. You got the word. You see? I knew you could have gotten it. Very nice. All right. So you got it to be indeterminate. What do you have to do now, Logan?
What I did, I kind of break it down a bit. So I like put like 6x squared minus 14x plus 3, and then I differentiate the that's the numerator difference, I don't remember the word. And then the other one is the denominator, which is 4x plus 6. And then I plug in that one, and I get half as the answer. You can understand that.
But press pause.
Yeah.
Who taught you that method though?
Hmm?
Where got that method from? Where got that method from?
I mean the numerator and denominator to differentiate it.
Yeah.
We do it in
Who
class.
taught you that method though?
No, do it in class.
No, ma'am.
Yeah.
No, ma'am.
But I look back over. Then my work probably was wrong then.
Not in this class. I did not say it was wrong. I just asked you a question.
No, just watch the YouTube from
Because
your
I did not
work,
teach
and
you.
then watch the YouTube at work, and I'll go over what you have done in class. So no, no, sir.
Anybody else? I can't use Logan's method because I have not taught that method yet. We have to be careful, guys, when we go onto YouTube to do stuff because
No,
they are
it's
going to
your
teach you method.
YouTube, sir.
My YouTube?
Yes.
What is this topic? What the method that you use, Logan, what that topic is called?
I remember I'm doing the homework long time.
Okay. All right, fair enough, you know.
Things.
All right. So the question, I'm not saying that your answer is wrong, no, Logan. Your answer is right. Well, let me not say it because I didn't check your differentiation. Let me tell you. Did you get 6x squared minus 14x plus 3?
Yes, sir. That's for the numerator.
Logan? Over 4x plus 6?
Yes, sir. Is it wrong?
Okay. No, it's not.
Oh.
I just did the question, but I can't use your explanation because I've not taught the other students that method yet. So that's why I was asking you who teach you. So I have not yet done that method with you. So it's good that you're looking at the YouTube, but I've not taught the class that method just yet.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Let me get from the other students though. Logan did our homework. Did anybody else attempted a question? And if not, it's now 20 to 6.
So I tried the factorization.
Oh, come on, guys. You're killing me in the rain. Come on. I'm not going to get any more homework questions because it don't make sense. I give you the homework and don't do it. And then I'm using half an hour, 40 minutes, close to an hour in my class time to do questions with. I'm not going to do any more homework questions. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry.
Sir responded or you didn't hear?
No. I heard your response, but it's not you alone in the class. And the rest of the students in the class not responding to me. Come on, guys. This is not good. The last couple of classes, I couldn't start on time either. What did you get for the answer, please?
So I ended up, well, it's still a half. I just went about it differently. So I got 2x squared minus 7x plus 3 over 2x plus 6.
Where did you get that method from?
That I got from the internet, sir, because I was really stuck as to where I should proceed or how I should proceed with that.
Do you understand what it is that you've done or the internet has shown you?
Somewhat, because I understand you have factorized by x to break it down to something that I'm familiar with, which is quadratic expression.
How did they get the 6x squared minus 14x plus 3?
Sorry, could you repeat, sir?
How did they get the 6x squared minus 14x plus 3?
It wasn't 6x squared, it was 2x squared. 2x squared minus 7x plus 3. So you
No, it can't be. Well, that's incorrect then.
okay. No problem, sir.
All right. All right. All right. No, let me just address that matter now. Students, there are a lot of AI tools outside your ear. And there are AI tools out there that you can just take a picture of the question and it seemingly solve the question for you. And because you don't know what you're doing, you present that to me and it doesn't make any sense mathematically. All right? Doesn't make any sense mathematically. When I give you homework, the homework is based on the things that I would have done with you in class. All right? I'm not saying that you can't go on YouTube to get additional learning. My videos are out there too, that you can go and use those videos. But I'm sensing that these AI tools are being used. Let me just caution you before it gets to your stage. I was teaching a calculus course last school year. And what you don't know is that I have ways of detecting AI. And when I was marking the mid-semester, I recognize it with 1 script. I recognize it with 2 scripts. I recognize it with 3 scripts. And I then said to myself, I'm not marking any more of those scripts. I didn't even send a message to the class. I just waited until I got to my class. And then I said to them that the mid-semester is going to be re-administered. And this time, I went out very hard. I went out very hard because I consider that cheating. And what students don't know is that I come very equipped to detect stuff. And not because it's math. I come very equipped to detect stuff. And they got a harder mid-semester test than the one that they did before. So whereas I don't have a problem with you using AI as a learning tool, to just use the AI and present the information and say, sir, I've completed my homework.
Sir,
when I
one
ask,
second.
Go ahead.
Afternoon, sir. Just to clarify, for everyone using AI, if nobody has used AI don't give good answers when it comes to maths.
But I just said that.
Yes, that
I
very
just
much
said
so.
that. I just said that, right? And I'm just saying because I saw it. Matter of fact, I took the papers to, not the papers, like my computer to Mrs. Campbell, and I said to them that, and I said to the class, I said, guess what? And those who decide say they're not doing it over, it's not a problem for Sir Shand. We just get 0 and done. Only just get 0 because I'm not using those. So sometimes, and as I said before, I had to go and rewrite my questions. And when I wrote the questions this time, it became very difficult for them to use the AI to solve them. And I'm going to say to you, students, we're in an era now where you can just, you have your psychology things to write, and you have this, and you sit down and say, Chuck, you drop your one question inside of something and say, write me an essay with 2,500 words. And then you do that, and you present that to C and think that this is your stuff. Hello? The college is equipped with different tools that we use to detect plagiarism. I'm not saying anything more on that, because if it does happen, you guys will be penalized, and penalized heavily. So with that said, I did not teach those methods, that particular method. The method that you're talking about is the same method that Logan made mention of. I have not taught that method yet. That method will be taught sometime later on. So do me a favor, please. Can you go ahead and factor out, how do I do this? Yeah, factor out an X from the numerator for me, please, and the denominator. I want the class to factor out X from both the numerator and the denominator. And tell me what you get.
Wait, sir, for which one? First one?
Yeah, man. Yeah. Just tell me quickly, man. Just don't matter. You have to write it, man. Just look on it and tell me quickly. You're factoring out an X on that. What do you get?
Sir, still lower, but when me factor out the X, 0/0, when you get.
No, man. When you substitute the 0 in the function, you get 0/0. Yeah, the part they're right, because it's indeterminate. The part they're right, because it's indeterminate. But what I'm asking you now to do is to factor out. Okay, so when the function is indeterminate, you have to do something. One of 3 things: a factorization, a rationalization, or a simplification. Now I'm asking you to factorize something. I'm asking you to go to the numerator and factor out an X for me. You follow what I'm asking?
Yes, sir. I understand.
Yeah, man. Go and factor out the X for me, please. So you're supposed to have X times something. What do you have? X times what? Oh, come on, calculus 1. You guys are
Sir,
killing
Mr.
me.
Shad?
Yes, please.
Sir, out of the numerator and the denominator, sir, don't sir?
Yeah, I want you to factor X from both the numerator and the denominator, sir. Yes, thanks.
You'd have X times 2x squared, take away 7x plus 3 over 2x times x plus 3. Leave you with 3x, 3 over x, mean?
No.
3
Just say
over 6.
2x. No, just say 2x plus 3, don't.
2x plus 3.
2x, sorry, 2x
bracket-
times x plus 3.
Yes, sir.
Good. That's correct. Thanks for answering that
Sir, but
question.
the thing is, sir, but all right, sir. When you find the indeterminate form, sir, would that basically like pick up the factorization next? And then
Duh.
when you do the factorization, sir, you'd get x bracket 2x squared, take away 7x plus 3 over 2x bracket x plus 3. But then you would just like take out 2x out of the numerator and the denominator.
No, illegal. You can't. So what you now need to do, so what I'm actually trying to do, Thais, is to walk you through the question. So that is the first part of what you need to do. The other part of the question now, you see that 2x squared minus 7x plus 3? You have to factorize that now
Repeat,
again.
please. Repeat.
The 2x squared minus 7x plus 3 now? Don't you have 2x squared minus 7x plus 3?
Yes, sir.
Right. So that now will have to be factorized again. So factorize that for me and tell me what you get.
Sir, the thing I asked you to do is like when we take the 2x cube and put it over the 2x and then go to with all of the only for that because
What are you talking about?
sir, from the one class we take the
No, you
2x.
tell me. I can you believe these people?
Sir,
Can you believe these
I
people?
was
Yes,
not at the
please.
last class, that's why I'm asking.
No. Sorry. No, that
You're
is not for
supposed to
you.
watch
That
the
that is
recording.
no. Hold up.
Supposed to
Who
watch
is
the
this?
recording. Yes, sir.
Damoy. Hold on. That is not for you. That can you believe these people was not for you a while ago? That is because I am inching closer and closer to my yard, and I recognize now that the reason for the traffic is not the rain, is that these idiotic people are fixing the road at peak hour. Peak hour.
Sir, Spanish Town you live?
No, I am on Waterloo Road.
Oh, rich people place. Oh, okay.
Be quiet, boy. Right? Because I am saying, so that the comment really was for you. I cannot believe that one whole second to the point where we have to be driving on the other side of the road because these people who don't use their pea brain, clearly they didn't do calculus 1, are now fixing the road
For real.
I am traveling from before 4 o'clock, and this is now almost 6 o'clock. 2 hours. Idiots. Jeez and peas, man. I can't believe these people do. Anyhow, and these police officers, them so dark, sometimes I can't even listen to them. See, I can drive. I can drive now, guys.
Yeah, man, sir. Just,
Well, factor is 6x and 6 negative 1. Oh. Click on.
Oh God, I cannot be do that one.
oh, sir, I was asking if it was the case where we use the x cube to because it is the highest one to go to and divide it from all of the other values. Or that wrong? Everybody get the factorization?
Sorry, guys. I keep coming in and out, in and out. I was asking earlier, Damoy, was it you who was speaking to me?
Yes, sir.
Right, good, good. Because I know Tice was talking to me earlier. All right. Yeah, man. So you heard when I said it wasn't you, it was the people that were fixing the road I was talking about, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, all right, no. So I was asking, I don't know if you also heard when I was asking you to factorize and I'm speaking from memory now, so help me out. The 2x squared minus 7x plus 3 or minus 3.
Yes, sir. I answered to that.
You factorize it, and what do you get?
2x squared minus 7x plus 3.
Factorize that for me, please, and what you get. I'm not hearing you again.
Oh, wait, I'm trying to factorize it, sir.
Okay, yeah. And the rest of you, do you have any? So I've heard from Logan, I've heard from Tice, I've heard from Rayton, I've heard from Damoy. Is there anybody else needs to contribute to this conversation?
Oh, side tangent, sir. Juliana, she's not continuing the course. She's not continuing bachelor's.
Who
So
that?
Juliana will not be on more classes.
Juliana Lawrence?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Anybody else? She could have said something to me. She saw me on campus on yesterday. But anyhow. Anybody else? Who else is going to contribute to, guys? Remember, this is your homework, from last week. You had Saturday, you had Sunday, you had Monday. Who else has to contribute to this? All right, okay, nobody else. Damoy, go ahead, finish your question for me, Damoy.
Sir, is that Sean?
All right.
Yeah,
Hold on.
go ahead.
Factorize. Sir?
I'm hearing you, go ahead.
Alright, so the factorization would have come down to 2x squared take away 6x take away x plus 3. Then when you group the terms them now, sir, you would have 2x squared take away 6x in our bracket take away bracket x take away 3. Now when we factor this down again, supposed to get 2x bracket x take away 3 take away 1 bracket x take away 3. Sir, 2x bracket x take away 3 close bracket take away 1 bracket x take away 3. You understand that, sir? Mr. Shan?
Okay. And
Sir, not hearing us, sir.
Tyrese.
No.
Tyrese.
Sir, not hearing us, sir.
Yeah.
Guys, the 2x cube. How do you do?
Anybody hear me?
No, sir.
Tice?
Sir, hearing a little bit, sir.
Um,
Guys, which one is the other?
No, sir, the top must factorize the numerator. That's sir did say.
Yeah, so the 2x cubed take away the 7x
Right,
squared.
me there I work on right now.
Yeah, it may work one. So what you get?
Alright, it come down to 2 in a bracket 2x squared take away 6x close bracket minus bracket x take away 3. You get that?
Wait, you know, factorize out the 2x.
Repeat that?
Yeah, you're supposed to factorize out the 2x. The 2x squared.
No, it'll come down, it'll factorize out when you come down again, because you group them now. So that when we get that now, our group it, our factor it each in each group, and we get 2x bracket x take
No,
away
wait.
3.
So you factorize out the 7x squared, the negative 7x squared, and you get 2x, negative 2x.
Repeat that? No, me not hear so well.
Oh, crap. Me sound jumble up.
So what I'm do is, I find negative 6 and negative 1.
Yeah,
That would have times and give me like 7.
the 7, yeah.
Yeah, so I just plug that in. 2x squared take away 6x in one bracket. Take away bracket x take away 3. And now I go factor like factor each group. So now it would have come down to 2x bracket x take away 3 take away 1 bracket x take away 3 close bracket. You get that?
That me good. Yeah, that me good.
Sir, that correct?
Sir, look at him right. Oh, sir, there.
But I feel like it's supposed to go down more. Just have a feeling it's supposed to go down. Voilà.
Sir, you read back, sir?
I am always here now. It's just that you guys not hearing me.
Oh, can hear you
Are
clearly.
you hearing me now?
Yeah, we can hear you clearly.
Yeah.
So, sir, what me and Thais got was 2x minus 1 close bracket and x minus 3. Yeah. Sir, if you're talking, you're mute. Sir, sir.
Yes, Papa. I was parking. Yes, go ahead. Did you factorize?
Yes, sir. We got 2x minus 1 and x minus 3.
Sir, when I'm factorizing it, the thing is
Uh-huh.
that since there's no constant there, I factorize everything with x. So it's going to be 2x squared minus 7x plus 3. Then I factorize it more. Am I on the right track, sir? Since I have the constant with it, I factorize it and got 2x squared minus 6x, no, plus 6x minus 1x plus 3. And I factorize that more. Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna factorize it for you guys now. Let me plug in my device and factorize it for you. Sharing. Can you give me sharing rights, please? Sure.
Okay.
Recording in progress.
All right, hold on, guys. G application.
Sir,
Yeah, go ahead.
so for
Somebody saying,
the sir,
you saying something?
I thought to ask a question.
No, man. Hold on a minute. Hold on.
So is it x minus 3 and 2x minus 1? I mean, for the final fraction.
For the
Okay.
numerator.
Hmm?
For the final numerator.
Yeah.
Bracket, X bracket without 3. And again, for the denominator, because they are not like terms, they're, 2x bracket x plus 3 not like terms. And this is there. Over.
Can somebody give me the question, please? Okay, 2x cubed. Hold on, guys, hold on. No, things are. All right, go ahead with the function now, please.
Alright, so f of x equal 2x cubed minus 7 squared, 7x squared minus plus, oh sorry, plus 3x over 2x cubed plus 6x.
Oh, sorry. Square.
2x squared, 2x squared. 2x squared, sir.
Sorry.
For the denominator, 2x squared. Yeah. Plus 6x.
What's the second one?
The second one is
one take away 4x.
1 minus 4x.
Yeah.
Over
Over
3.
3x plus 3. All right.
Over what?
Over 3x plus 2.
What's the last one?
Last one is x squared over 2 minus x.
Where's the minus x?
Sorry?
2 minus x? Hold on there. Hold on.
2 6.
I'm coming.
Take away x.
Yeah, he said to hold on.
Oh.
Give me a second, guys. I'm coming. My thing not responding to a comment. Can somebody tell me, please, what is the last equation?
Just set it.
So just put the minus x plus 3/2. Oh, you wipe it out.
Yeah, tell me what you
2
write, Logan.
square.
2 square. No, 2 square. 2.
Sorry,
No,
x
it's
square.
X
Sorry.
squared.
I'll be to that.
X squared over 2.
Divided by 2 minus x.
That's it?
Plus 3/2.
Oh, sorry, wrong something.
No, take out the x minus x and put it beside.
Minus X from the
Not
fraction, sir.
Mr. Shanda, I sent it to you. I sent it to you in a chat as well.
All
Screenshot.
right, let me check in the chat. Yeah, I check in the chat. Oh, seriously, guys? So it's x squared over 2 minus x plus 3/2. All right, times. X squared over 2. X squared over 2 minus x. X squared over 2 minus x plus 3/2. That look like it now?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
And x is greater than or equals to 0. X is greater than or equals to 0. All right, so this is what is happening. What I'm saying to you is
Sorry, one moment. The 0. The first one, x less than 0. Yeah.
thank you, my love. Thank you, my love. Thank you. Appreciate it. So what I'm saying to you is we recognize that the limit as x tends to 0 to the left of 2x cubed minus 7x squared plus 3x all over 2x squared plus 6x is going to be equal to 0 over 0 indeterminate. So it means that I have to do a simple operation. Factorization, rationalization, or simplification. All right? So I am going to be factorizing. I recognize that I can do this. I can do this as x into 2x squared minus 7x plus 3 all over 2x into x plus 3.
Yes, sir.
2x into x plus 3. Hold on. And I recognize also that it's not yet complete. It's not yet complete because I still have something in the numerator that I can go ahead and do my factorization. I can go ahead and do my factorization again. And what that is saying is this piece, 2x squared minus 7x plus 3, I can be factorized. 2 times 3 is 6. I'm going to get minus 6. Nope. Yeah, minus 6 and minus 1 don't.
All right.
Yes, sir.
So I'm going to have 2x squared minus 6x minus x plus 3. When I group, I'm going to get 2x squared minus 6x in one bracket. Damoy, this is what we're saying to me, Papa?
Yes, sir.
Then I take
No,
out the 2x. Well, if I'm not this, you said to me, no, you're wrong.
no, no, sir, no, sir, no, sir, that was not. I was saying 2x minus 3.
Right. So it's supposed to be 2x minus 1 over x minus 3.
Yes,
So what I'm
that's
going
what
to,
we have.
that's what you have, Logan?
Yes.
Good. So what I'm going to do now is to rewrite the function. I'm going to rewrite the function now as the limit as x tends to 0 of x into 2x minus 1 times x minus 3 all over 2x into x plus 3. Hold up. Two x squared, 2x squared, 2x, that's 2x squared, minus 6x minus s and minus 7x plus 3. Okay. All right. So what is happening technically? I didn't have to do this factorization. Technically, what I'm seeing now, based on the question that I just did, this factorization, we didn't have to do.
Why not, sir?
Why? Good question. Because clearly this x and this 2x were the ones causing the function to go to 0.
I was gonna ask if it's factorize 2x squared minus 7x plus 3.
Say it again, Carno.
I was gonna ask if we, after eliminate those, could I just substitute
Yes,
after
yes,
instead of going further?
yeah. That's what I just realized when I looked at the question. So you can just go ahead and substitute at this point. So at that point, what I'm gonna do now, so what is happening now is that this cancels this. So I'm gonna be left with a 2 there. So this is going to be 2 times 0 minus 1 into 0 minus 3 all over 2 times 0 plus 3. 2 times 0 is 0. 0 minus 1 is minus 1, so that's minus 1. 0 minus 3 is minus 3. All over this 2 right out here, so. And what is 0 plus 3? 0 plus 3 is 3. Negative 1 times negative 3 is a positive 3. And 2 times 3 is 6. 3 into itself 1, 3 into 6, 2 times. I get a half. Anybody got a half?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good job. What about the rest of you? Rachel, what do you get? Damoy, what do you get?
Sir, I said yes.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. I didn't hear you, Papa. I didn't hear you. Was that a yes, Rachel? I didn't hear you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. I heard them all. All right, good. What about the rest of you, though?
Yes, sir. Same thing.
All right, good.
I just did the factorization.
Okay, nice. And then no. So we get that side going to 0 is going to be a half. We need to do the 1 minus 4x over 3x plus 2. So the limit 1 minus 4x over 3x plus 2 as x tends to 0 to the right. That was to the left. If I put 0 in there, I can get indeterminate? No. 1 minus 4 times 0 over 3 times 0 plus 2, which is going to give me 1 over 2. Everybody got a half right there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So is it continuous?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, since the limit as x tends to 0 to the left is equal to the limit sorry guys, sorry. Yes, so it's what I was writing? To say that it's continuous?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, everything. All right. And then now we need to look at it, the same function going to the left. So let me do the left part first. So the limit as x tends to 1 to the left is going to be 1 minus 4x over 3x plus 2. And everything that can go wrong is going wrong.
Sir,
Yeah.
it's -3 over 5.
You get -3 over 5 when you do it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. All of that then give me 1 times 4 to the 1 over 3 times 1 plus 2 is going to give me 1 minus 4 over 3 plus 2, which is equal to -3 over 5. All right. So let us check now the limit as x tends to 1 to the right. What was that ugly function again? X squared over 2 is going to be x squared over 2 minus x plus 3 over 2. So to the right, I'm going to have 1 squared over 2 minus 1 plus 3 over 2. 1 squared over 2 is going to be 1/2 minus 1 plus 3.5. 3 over 2 is not 3.5, but 3/2. 3 over 2 is 1.5. 1.5 plus half is 2. 2 minus 1. I get 1 for here. So anybody get 1 for that?
I thought it's 1/4.
Yes, sir, I got one.
No.
No?
Check that again, Logan.
Okay.
Use the calculator, Logan, and check it and let me know. So since
No, the answer was 0.25, and the fraction for that is 1/4. That's what I thought.
all right, do me a favor. Work with me on share the calculator for me, please. Put 1 ABC 2
1
ABC 2.
ABC.
Yeah, you see the ABC button? The fraction button on the calculator.
Oh,
You see it? You find it?
okay. Yes.
Right? 1 ABC 2.
Mm-hmm.
Then press the minus sign.
Mm-hmm.
Then press 1.
Yes.
Then press the plus sign.
Mm-hmm.
Then press 3.
Yes.
Then press ABC.
Mm-hmm.
And then 2.
Yeah, it's 1/4.
What?
So I'm get 1 to sir.
1/4 me get 7
What calculator are you using, Logan? 3/2 is 1.5. 1.5 plus a half is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1.
Oh. Yeah, nothing.
All right, do me a favor. Let us try it differently. Logan, clear the calculator for me, please.
Okay.
Let me know when you clear it.
It's clear.
All right. Open bracket.
Yes.
1 divided by 2, use the division sign.
Mm-hmm.
1 divided by 2, close bracket.
Yeah.
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
Plus.
Plus.
Open bracket.
Mm-hmm.
3
divided by
2.
4.
No, by 2.
Divided by 2?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then close bracket.
Divided by 2. And close bracket. Yeah, 1.
Yeah, man.
Mm.
Then f of x0 says going to be discontinuous at x equals 1 and continuous at x equals 0. This continuous at x equals 0, but discontinuous at x equals 1. Anybody seen that? No?
Yes, I know it was discontinuous, but I look like I just mix up that one.
All right. Okay. Good attempt, Logan, and I congratulate you for doing that, for attempting the assignment. Shame upon the rest of you who, for the last couple of classes now, I give homework, and I said no more, and I said no homework tonight. Go find the past papers and the question, because I keep sending questions, and I come, me Simon come to class and come do my homework, because I'm the one that is in school. Let me just give a word of caution. This topic is on a mid-semester. This topic again appears on the final exam, or should appear on the final exam, as I don't know what is coming, but it should appear on the final exam. I'm expecting some limits questions to come on the exam paper itself, in and of itself. And I'm expecting maybe about 15 marks worth of limit questions. Now, if you can understand and answer your limits questions, that's an easy 15 marks for you know. Easy 15 marks. And then you just tackle the other questions will come. So what I'm showing you is how easy it is to pass a calculus. But what is going to be important for you is you studying and doing all the practice you can do from now. All right. Any questions?
So how much
Yes,
marks I go take off if me leave it at the 3/2? So if you talk, you mute.
Oh, sorry. It is maybe not much, but don't leave it at that though. See if we can finish the question. The question them come pretty easy. Don't leave out nothing. The questions really
Something in
come
a
pretty
private
easy.
message, sir. You see it?
Say it again?
Me shoot you something in the text in the chat.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
I am looking now. Okay, you see it now.
Yes, sir. But I left it halfway as usual.
All right.
But my attempt it still.
Yeah, man. I appreciate the attempt. I appreciate the attempt. All right. Okay, Andrew, I see your message. Chrissy, don't worry about it. Today was just an ugly day. You know, I don't know why when it rains, there is just lots of traffic on the road. I really don't know why.
But the traffic in sir. Just the homework alone you go through so far.
That's all. That's all we're able to do.
Because we literally joined class like about 10 minutes ago.
Yeah, man, that's all we did. Because your lovely classmates, I'm not sure if you are included. Sir sent the homework. And Logan did it. Shortly after that, Rayton came out and gave me a response. And that was it for the rest of the class. Nobody else clearly did the homework. I'm
So
trying to. Yeah.
I'm gonna shoot you back something again in a chat.
No problem. I'm trying to find something that the Lekana sent me.
Some of this, sir.
I'll come in. Hold on. I'm just going into my email for a brief second. LECERNO. I just want to project something. 2000, I want something close. 2018, no, 2018 is it's close. It's the closest. Oh, stupid. I need to download the file first, right? That makes sense. I'm downloading the file. Then I'm able to pick up 2018. Screen. Oh, I think I gave you this question in class the other night. Find all the points of discontinuity. Anybody remember this question that I did?
Yes, sir.
Right. So many marks can give it in the exam was 6 marks. That was 6 marks. 6 and 5, 11 and 3, 14. This is the point I'm making. 5 and 3, 8 and 2, 10. 10 and 6, 16 points alone on limits and continuity. Right? Easy 16 marks. Easy 16 marks. All right. Now, let us see in 8 minutes. I'm going to give you something. I'm going to give you something quickly to do for me. I want you to do part 2 for me. Part 2 is matter of fact, what's the answer for part 2? Tell me the answer for part 2, please.
Vitamin B.
Part 2A.
Negative infinity over negative infinity, sorry. Wait, part 2A.
Give me the final answer.
Good answer.
What's the final answer? See? When I'm not studying. No. When I'm not studying. No.
Negative 9 over 7 over negative 6, sir? Negative 6 is what? Negative 0 over 2.
Sorry, negative 6 over 1. Minus 6 over.
Oh, my Lord Jesus, help my students, I pray in Jesus' name. What's the answer, guys?
Sir,
Sir, negative
-6
9 and
over
1.
1. -6 over 1, sir, or -6 over -1?
Negative 6.
So isn't the ones that have the x there, put them to 0, and the one that are constant, just place them together?
What's the final answer?
Negative 9
9,
over
sir.
1.
No.
Negative 9.
Yeah, negative 9 if you want to put as negative 9.
What is the final answer? Guys, you're not studying, you know. What's the final answer? Look at the question and tell me.
So that's not the answer, sir?
Sir, 3 over 7. Wait, no, negative 3 over 7. Because the x, what do you call that? The x with the, somebody can tell me like the name of that, the x with the 5. Because the other numbers them would equal to 0, because remember say we're gonna use the x over 5 and cancel out all of the other ones. So you can lift back the 3 and the 7.
Right, this is 6.
What's the final answer?
Negative 3 over 7.
3 over negative 7.
Thank you. This is not working out. I forgot to find another teacher for you guys because this.
Is it negative 1?
No, what are you talking
No,
about?
negative 3 over negative 7. Just get fair, cause me just don't work out that sir. Me just there work.
So, sir, you see along put in a chat.
Put it in a who?
Mr. Shan.
Oh, sorry, I didn't check the chat. Yes, Alwyn. By the way, you
put in
just
a chat too long, man.
you just reached class.
You didn't put in a chat too long.
No, but you
The
just reached
internet
class.
still shaky, you know, so I can't do talk.
No, none of that. Me no hear from evening.
Yeah, me put in a chat all long, my internet still shaky, so if me talk, it have a break up.
Okay. All right. So again, find another teacher for this class because only now learn from me. I'm wanting to learn, so I go sort out that thing because this now work out. Let's go. So from here, what we're doing from there?
We're gonna find the biggest.
Right. So therefore, we're going to say the limit as x tends to infinity, because we already know that it's going to be infinity over infinity, indeterminate. So what we're going to say, we're looking at the highest power, which is going to be to the fifth. So it's going to be 3x to the fifth over x to the fifth minus 9 over x to the fifth all over 1 over x to the fifth minus 2x to the third over x to the fifth minus 7x to the fifth over x to the fifth. The x to the fifth cancel there and here. 2 of that cancels there and the 3 of that cancels there and leave 2. So what I'm going to have there now is the limit as x tends to infinity of 3 minus 9 over x to the fifth all over 1 over x to the fifth minus 2 over x squared minus 7.
Yeah, aside, I read it wrong.
So now I'm going to have the limit. No, lie. All lies. I'm going to say
9 over x to the fifth equals 0.
right, I'm going to say as 9 over x to the fifth,
comma,
1 over x to the
over
fifth,
x to the 5, right?
just x tends to infinity, all of those tend to 0. So what I'm going to have now is a limit as x tends to infinity of 3 minus 0 over 0 minus 0 minus 7, which is negative 3 over 7. I don't have this paper here, so I'm going to ask you that to screenshot this one for me, please. And you
Would
can
that be a
circle
positive 3, sir?
positive 3 what?
The 3 over 7, wouldn't that be a
Remember
positive?
said in
But
7
we
is
cannot have
negative,
the
yeah?
denominator as a negative.
Apologies. Thanks, Logan.
Yeah, good. So it doesn't matter which of them is negative, it makes the whole fraction now negative.
Yes, sir. You did go through that with me
I did go
already.
through that already, right? That's why I just stop and then let Logan finish up. Thanks, Logan. All right. Students, this is not working out there now. I don't think you guys are finding the time to do any work. And I can't come for the last 3 weeks thereabout. I have been
Sir,
given
no go
homework.
so, sir.
What? What do you mean? You are finding time, Alwyn?
Yeah, I always do my work,
Yeah, you
sir.
hear me?
Yeah, may I
Always
hear
do
you,
my
Alwyn?
homework.
Yes, sir. Me, I say no go so.
No, go so. All right. So let me rephrase my statement then.
Huh?
I'm gonna rephrase my statement.
Yeah, the internet
A
still
few of you,
so
a few of you have been
Yeah.
very committed in completing my work, but there is a greater number of you not doing your homework when the homework is given. I am hearing, sir, you never send the homework, or sir, we never see the homework,
I
or
don't know.
sir, yeah, we're seeing the
Oh,
homework
Mr.
now.
Captain, sir.
Huh?
Yeah, Mr. Yasin, no, Mr. Yasin.
Yes, man. And I'm spending my good class time as opposed to just marking the homework and move on. I'm spending the class time to do the homework. And because of that, I'm not sending any more homework. Your homework is in the past papers. Go and do the past paper questions. So I've started 2018. I did part 2. I want you to work on parts 1 and 3 for me. Work on part 1 and 3 for me for next class. Guys, you have to start working or else you're going to be in problems.
So
All right?
past paper that, sir?
2018. Yeah, it's in the group. It's in the email or group. Lakana sent it.
Yes, sir.
All right. Big up on yourself later.
What about the other one?
Which other one?
Other question. A 2 homework I give us now? two questions.
Yeah, but 7 o'clock come now and you have a class and me have a class.
Alright, sir.
Yeah, man, big up yourself later.
All right, sir.
I told them to get for the one after the question, sir.
Nah, like, I never get for the other one, you know, come with iffy on the first one.
No,
Oh,
man.
so
I thought the one in just no the one in just their project a while ago. The question after it, the one after negative 3 over the 3 over negative 7.
yeah. Go on with the question again.
No, I asked for 12 when I get.
No. -3/7.
No man, the question after it. Alright, I never do it. Alright, never mind.
Sorry, my boss. We don't pick up what you say, but no, we never do that one there.